Hi everybody, my name is Beatrice and I am 20 years old. I am on my third year of studying diagnostic imaging at Hunsick College. Next summer, I will be starting a year-long internship at the hospital where I will be able to learn the ropes of the job directly at the hospital, where I will have a closer look of the workplace. This particular job includes a lot of different and difficult words that I will need to learn to speak with the other doctors and the patients. It might be difficult at first because there will be some words that I have never seen before, and if I want to look like I am competent enough to be there, I will need to learn how to properly pronounce them. We can start by using Virtual Writing Tutor. So just open another tab at the top of your screen and write the URL virtualwritingtutor.com. Once on the website, you can see that on the top right corner, the different icons if you want to share the website on social media. Then we have a navigation tool here where you can see everything that you need to use for the website. What we're going to use right now is the box where the text area is in the middle of the screen. Just under the navigation menu, there's instructions on how to use the website, and in the box you can see a few sentences that explains how to use it. To begin with, we will write a sentence that I could need to know how to pronounce in the future for my field of study. The patient had an anaphylactic shock after we started to do the angiography. So on the top of the text box, there is different uses. There is different buttons that you can use. So the word count, the check grammar, the score essay, and other things that you can use to see if what you wrote is correct. To check the grammar, we will see here, check grammar. It says here that I have not written properly aphylactic, and that I have written twice the word D. So I will remove the D here. And then I can check here. It says so I know I made a mistake. Anaphylactic shock after we started to do the angiography. Now we can check here at the bottom right corner here of the text box different ways to see if it was correct. So you can check the spelling here again, and you can even use the microphone to say a sentence out loud and check if it was correct. And then here is the text-to-speech button where the computer will say the sentence that I wrote out loud to see if it was correct, to see how the pronunciation is.
The patient had an anaphylactic shock after we started to do the angiography.
The patient had an anaphylactic shock after we started to do the angiography. So the way I pronounce it now will be the way that I have to say it when I'm speaking to a doctor. So this is how the virtual writing tutor works and what to do with it. Thank you for listening.